As a woman, you need to treat yourself once a while. Make yourself feel like a queen that you are. And if you want to do this with me, keep on watching. What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty, and today I'll be doing a full face makeup. Like, I've never done a full complete face makeup. I'm gonna be doing that today, so stay tuned. Grab yourself some coffee or grab yourself some makeup tools. Let's do makeup together. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, because here we talk everything beauty related. Now let's get into the video. To starting up with, I'm starting up with my brows, and I'm gonna be using, I'll start up with the PS eyeliner. It's kind of dark. It's kind of very dark, but I'll just use it to it's dark brown. I'll use it to eyeline my brows. And to start up with, I like to mattify my brow with some translucent powder, and I'm using the Sacha Buttercup. I'll just do that. This makes your brows last longer. It makes your brows last all day, and it also helps to mattify your, always make sure your pencil is very sharp. Okay, so let's get into the video. Please watch till the end, guys. Watch till the end. Okay. Voice over for the rescue. So I'm starting with the darker brown to outline my brows, which I'll later on go with a lighter brown to fill in the brows. Guys, you know, for a while now I've not been feeling fine, so just pardon my voice. Yes, I'm following the exact shape of my brows. I'm using Davies in the color 3. And when I get to the beginning of the brow, I'm doing hair-like strokes. I'm lightly sending the brown pencil upwards to just give it an illusion of faded brows. To highlight and define my brows, I'm going to be using this mark. And the shade I'm using is NC43. And I usually like to start highlighting my brows from somewhere around the middle. Yeah, so by the time I get to the front, the product must have reduced on the brush, thus giving it a natural look. Guys, I know it's been long, I've not done a makeup tutorial. This is because my computer was bad. I needed to fix it. I could not do, my microphone was bad, so I couldn't do voiceover. So I edited this video long time ago, but I couldn't upload because there was no voiceover. So guys, I hope you watch, you share, and you like my makeup video. Thank you. To slightly highlight my upper brows, I'll be using the Mary Kay in the shade Bronze 5, which is the same foundation I'll be using all over my face. I love Mary Kay foundations. Like, it's one of the first foundations I started working with, and since then I've just had this love and passion for the Mary Kay foundation. Later in the course of the videos, guys, we'll be having some chit chats. Now I'm going in with this masking tape because I want a sharp, a very defined how can I say, eyeshadow. And going in with that same concealer I used to highlight my brows, I'm using it as my base. And now I'll go ahead to start, and I'm using my baby, guys. I still have an affiliate link for this. I'm going in with that first pink color to apply as my transition color. Secondly, I'm going in with the brighter pink. You can see the arrow pointing on the colors. That's for easy identification. Now I'm going in with the even darker color, that's the arrow on it, to apply it on my crease. It's been long, I'm forgetting the makeup terms. Now I'm using that kind of burgundy color because I want to outline where my cut crease would be, and I'm just going in with some depth. And guys, you have to take your time for this, okay? No rush, take your time, blend and blend. I went in with an even darker burgundy color to place on my outer corner and darken it up. Now going back with the first shade I used,
I am trying to blend out the colors so that I don't have any harsh lines. And you always have to do this if you want a smooth transition between your colors. I'm going back with the MAC NC43 to cut my crease, guys. This concealer is the bomb when it comes to cut crease. You can see me, it goes slowly and steadily. After blending out the concealer, I go ahead with the same color. I decided to darken out the outer crease a little bit because I wanted some smokiness, you all. Yeah, taking back the first color I used as my as my transition color, I placed that color at my inner corner. Yeah, that's around my tear dot, the beginning of your eyes. That's what I mean. And with my fingers, I'm using that color. I pointed it to place the, I think this one was a metallic eyeshadow. I placed that, on my eyelid, and now I'll just use this liner to line the eyes, guys. Basically, that's it about the eyes. It's very simple, easy to create, and I didn't take much time at all. Yeah. And yeah, going in with the eyeliner, this is a basic simple eyeliner. I just winged the eyes, and this tape really helps to give it some definitions. It makes your work less easier, because if I didn't use the tape, after that I would have gone in with a concealer trying to like define the eyeliner, but the tape just makes it easier. And yep, that is the popped eyelash, guys. Now I'm going ahead to prep my face. I'm using my moisturizer, and now I'm using my rose water to spray that all over my face. And after a minute or so, I'll go ahead to start applying my foundation. Remember, I'm using the foundation Bronze 5, Mary Kay Bronze 5. Yeah. And I'm just like, when I come around my eye area, because I don't want to mess it up, I just try to define the eyes by making it sharp, because that was the essence of using the tape, because I wanted the eyes sharp. After which I go on with my beauty blender. It is damp, that's why I was trying to squeeze it out for you to see that it's damp, and I just blend out the foundation. By the way, I did my hair. I don't know why I'm never doing my hair on camera, but I did my hair, installed my hair. I'm not a pro like that, but I do it myself. I'm using that same concealer, NC45 for no for 3, yeah, to highlight beneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and all the areas you basically just want them to pop out. Let me know in the comments if you like me to do a basic highlighting and contouring tutorial. Like, this changes the game. Your highlighting and your contouring, it changes the makeup game. And if you want a full glam look, you will consider highlighting and contouring. So let me know in the comment section what you think. Guys, please comment about the eye look, what you like about it, what you dislike about it. We learn every day. This eyelash was supposed to be my eyelash brand, which I'm still working on, guys, so keep praying for your girl. I'm using the black opal, yeah, to contour. I never do cream contouring, yeah, but today we want a full coverage makeover. That is why we are doing this. So guys, I love using this very defined beauty blender to blend out my nose contour, because it places the contour where you want it to be. If you're using a big beauty blender, it might just spread out the contour, and it will just make everything look messy. Going ahead to set the areas where I highlighted, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup, and I'm using this beauty blender, which is just easy to apply the setting powder. And like I said before, it will also help to place the setting powder where you want it to be placed. And to set my contour, I'm using this kind of angled brush, and I am just trying to, like, I'm using circular motions because I don't want the contour to look too harsh, so I'm using circular motions so that it can just blend out the contour. Yeah, on my forehead. I think I should have taken out my scarf by now. So I'm using the BH Cosmetics. I've forgotten the number brush to just sweep out the excess powder on my face and just make everything look seamless. To highlight, I'm using the Glow Nude palette to highlight, and I just combine those two colors. I'll be highlighting my cupid's bow. I like doing this before applying my lipstick because it just gives my lips some more definition, you know what I mean? And I'm not a big fan of highlighting, but once again, it's a full complete makeover, guys. I'm loving this eyes. Let me know what you think on the comments, and please, if you have watched till this level, just say something nice about Viana's beauty. Honestly, just say something nice about Viana's beauty. Let me know you follow my videos. At least more than half of the video you do watch them. My average duration is very low. I don't know why, guys. And I know most of you are abroad, so you don't have any excuse concerning data. I know my people there in Africa, they tell you, no, we don't have data, we don't have data. It's understandable. Okay, so I'm using that highlighter by what's the name again? Color Pop. Yep. No, it's not highlighter, it's a blush. I'm just blushing everything out. On normal basis, if I was to go somewhere with this makeup after doing this, I would go for a nude look because my eyes are heavy enough, but I didn't. Like, your girl wanted everything to be extra. I just did like that, man. You just want to go like out of yourself, out of your comfort zone, and do something like, if you want your cupid's bow to really be defined, you have to take your time and carve it out. That's why you saw me starting from the cupid's bow while defining my lips. This lipstick is from Colourpop. I think this color is Mamacita. I know I usually don't list products on the description box, but I'll try to do that. So guys, let's listen to music while doing the lippy. So this pink lipstick I'm applying, yeah, at the center is one of the most expensive lipstick I have, and honestly I really don't get why it's expensive. It's very matte by nature, but then it gives me that crack line at the end of my lips. I don't know how I can cure that. But guys, what do you think about the lips though? I really think I should have gone nude, even though so many people, when they saw the pictures, they were like, wow, we love this. So my subby, you know you're always right? So leave your comments down in the comment section. So what was I looking for? I'm not very sure, but I wanted the pinkness to show some more. So I went ahead with an even whiter lipstick. You can see that one is different. This one I'm using now is from the Nude Cosmetics. Yeah, so I wanted it to pop, to really pop. You just have to take your time for this once again and go for what you feel. If you look on the mirror and you're not satisfied with your look, then try to improvise and make it work. This step is always very important. It just makes everything look so neat and makes everything look so defined. Your lipstick is not all over the place, and it just creates a transition between your foundation and your lips, you understand? And always go back with the powder to just set everything. I'm using my setting spray, and now I'll just use a damp blender to set everything into place. So basically, my lovely, beautiful savvy, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, you see my hair, Anyway, that's it. I blended everything out, and this is the completed look. I love you guys so much. Please share this video, make this video go viral. It's your girl. I'm gonna see you in my next video, Viana's Beauty.